Hi guys, it's Etude. So today I'm doing my daily morning routine for every day. So I'm an insomniac and I don't have much time in the morning. I can't take a lot of time getting ready in the morning. I'd rather sleep than spend a lot of time getting ready. I find it easier to, take my showers or bath or whatever in the evening, and I find it easier to sleep during the morning. I often fall asleep around 5 or 6 or 7 a.m. So I only get a few hours of sleep a night. Sometimes I don't sleep. But I'd rather stay in bed as long as I can. And so I need to get ready really fast in the morning. I generally put my hair in a ponytail. I have curly hair, so leaving my hair out isn't an option. If you have curly hair, then you'll understand. And also, this is a summer routine, so I need my makeup to last all day long and look fresh and bright and summery, and I need to do it in 5 to 10 minutes. So if you want to know how I do this, then please keep watching. So I did just wash my face, and these days I've been using the Dust Cut Cleansing Foam by Etude House. And now I have to tone my face, so I put on a toner. I've been using 2 toners recently, kind of switching back and forth, depending on how my skin feels. If my skin feels like I need some exfoliation or like I have some red spots or something, I've been using the Wonder Pore Freshener. And this is by Etude House, and it's really good for acne and oily skin. But sometimes my skin feels really dry, because actually I have combination skin in the summer, but in the winter I have very dry skin. When it's cooler out, generally my skin gets drier. The other one I've been using is the Rice Wine Toner by Mizon. This is a brightening, and it says nutrition toner. Anyway, today I'm going to use this one. So I just put a little bit on the palm of my hand. My hands are clean because I just washed my face. I go like this. If my skin is feeling very dry, I use the Orchid Enriched cream, but these days it's been feeling less dry, so I haven't been using it as much. Instead, I put this Italian brand cream on. It's called Kelairon. This is an Italian brand, and it's a gel-like cream. It's very light. Looks like that. And I just put a little around my eyes and here. This is just a sample of an eye cream. It's called Visuskin Perioculare Ipoallergenica by Visu. It's another Italian brand, and I've been using it around my eye area. It's made for it says the palpebral, I don't know how to say it, but it's made for that area. And I just take a little amount of eye cream and put it around my eyes. Like, eye cream is really good to use around your eyes, but also in this area too, which is more kind of a finer, more delicate area as well. Now I'm going to put on the Dust Cut Finish Cream, and this cream blocks dust and pollen and allergens from going into your skin, into your pores, and since I have sensitive skin, this is really great. It's another light, gel-like cream. Today is a sunny day, so I'm going to put on some sun cream, and this is the Innisfree Perfect Sunblock, Eco Perfect Sunblock, SPF 50 PA++. And this is my favorite sunblock. I put it on my hand like that, and then I kind of go like that. And if I need more, I put more on. I'm going to put the CC cream by Innisfree on as well. This is the Real Skin CC cream by Innisfree. I use about that much and then just rub. I kind of blend it here. And then I put some under my eye area because that's where I need the most brightening. Put some there. and the rest there. As you can see, this brightens up the face a lot. If I have a little bit more time, I try to put my concealer on because, you know, my under eye circles can be really bad. So. I have so many Etude House products, but in the summer I generally do use more Etude House products. Etude House just seems to have better products for oily skin and summer, and you know, more like waterproof stuff. This is the Precious Mineral BB Cream in Cotton Fit. A little of this really goes a long way, so I just put like a pea-sized amount, and that's all usually that I need for my whole face. Now I generally just put on a lipstick or a lip balm or some kind of lip product, and it just depends on my mood. I choose depending on my mood. Sometimes I feel like more like red, sometimes I feel like pink, sometimes I feel like orange, and so every day is going to be different, and I just pick depending on how I feel. For example, I can use this pink PK001 by Etude House. If I just feel like pink. This is actually number 3 Dear Darling Tint by Etude House, the normal one, and it's more of like an orange-red color, if I feel like orange-red. This is a more hot pink kind of lip tint balm, just like the one that I'm wearing right now. This is a bit lighter than this one. This one is more hot pink or darker. I can even put it over. There you go. And this one I put on in my previous tutorial, and you can use this on your cheeks as well. It's the Color Pop, and this is number 3 by Etude House. The lip tint, but you can put it on a lot of the lip tints, like for example this one or this one, I also use on my cheeks sometimes, and it works like that too. In the mornings when I haven't slept much and I'm in a hurry, I'm tired, this is basically all I do, and I'm off. If I have some extra time, then I put on some face powder. This is the HD powder by Makeup Forever, and that just helps to set it, but sometimes I don't set my makeup. Now there's like a dust cloud from this powder all over the place, but sometimes I don't set my makeup. I also use different powders depending on how like bad my skin is. If I feel like my skin's looking particularly bad, then I won't use this powder. I'll use the one that I have. For example, I have one by Givenchy, like an actual powder with like a foundation powder. That's what I want to say. This is more of just a setting powder, but this one really kind of makes your pores disappear. So I really like this one for that. And then if I have more time, I'm going to put this eyeshadow on. It's called My Two Cents by Benefit, and it's the Creaseless eyeshadow. And it's a cream. I just use my finger in the morning. I mean, this is what I just do on normal days. And it's just like fast because I can put it on the inside corners too. I can just use my fingers, put it all over very quickly. And this generally stays all day and doesn't crease so much. And then if I still have time, and often I don't, and I just go like this, I put on the eyeliner, and I just follow my eye line when my eye is closed, and it ends up being winged. And then if I have time, I just put on mascara. And And that's it. That's all I do on a normal day when I'm going to work or school or whatever, and I'm not going anywhere special, and I have insomnia, so you know, I don't really have much time in the morning to get ready. So you know, put your hair in a ponytail, and it's basically just the skincare, BB cream, and lip balm, and then if I have extra time, I put on some eye makeup. Anyway, if you like this video, please click like and subscribe, and see you next week. Bye!